What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Captain Price with Captain Price Reacts, and today we gon' be watching Davo Migo game. 24 hours 24 hours surviving in snowstorm in ATL. It's crazy enough, but we just had like a little fake snowstorm. I've been y'all like relaxing on the reactions. I've been sick, then not been sick, then snow, spend time with my child, going out. That's why I was like, yeah, I want to see vlogs. You know, I've been going out a lot with the homies and shit. And I got a cameraman, so yeah. So if you're new to the channel, go ahead, like, subscribe, turn on notifications. I said like, subscribe, turn on notifications. Let's go ahead and get into this.
Bro, I don't see that count. When I was a kid, bro, I used to love the snow. You know why? Because we didn't have to go to school. I love when it snowed because we didn't have to go to school. Now that I'm older, bro, I'm an adult, bro, I cannot stand the snow, bro. And I hope and pray, bro, the power do not go out, bro. I hope the power don't go out, bro. Please, power don't go out, bro. We had enough of that when we was with the Hurricane Helen, whatever it was. Y'all remember Hurricane Helen, how the hell you say the goddamn word? Y'all know what I'm talking about, though. So, man, last time, I wasn't prepared. You know what I'm saying? So this time I'm finna try to hurry and I'm finna try to run to the store real quick, go to Walmart or something, and try to get something. You know what I'm saying? Last night I filled my gas tank up, so you feel me? So today I'm finna try to go and get something, like some chips, something. You know what I'm saying? Cereal, something, juice. Cause I'm not gonna be in the house for 2 days, 3 days with nothing. You know what I'm saying? And the snow is starting to come down, bro. Can y'all see? I don't know if y'all can see or not.
What are those condos or apartments? Because, you know, crazy enough up here, if they look like this, most of the time they duplex condos. I lie to you not. Up here, most of the time.
But y'all probably can't see it, but. So y'all look, we have a snowstorm for the hit. So I am right now, last minute, trying to get me something, you know what I'm saying? But at least for like the next 2 days, this is what I want, this not have nothing, you know what I'm saying? I can get cereal and be straight, you know what I'm saying? Look, this right here. Big bag too. This right here, it's the cheap kind, but guess what? It's the big kind, and it's gonna get the job done. It's like Fruity Pebbles with marshmallows, gas. They're my favorite cereal. Like, no, I don't like Cinnamon Toast Crunch. Just played out, like all that. Had it too much as a kid.
I'm telling you, people don't even understand. Cinnamon Toast Crunch is played out now, bro. It's like, every kid used to eat that, like be geeked to eat it because it had so much sugar on it. Now, bro, it's like, man, who wants that? Man, I go ahead and get me a bowl of It's a lot of stuff. I don't eat Fruit Loops. I don't really eat cereal at all because I'm lactose intolerant.
The best milk there is. Yes. As y'all can see, the snow finally start to come down. And I must say, we didn't get as much snow. Like, it started snowing, but like, it didn't really stick for real. Like this look, bro. Look at my face. Disappointed.
They must have got the remnants of what we had. Like, because it came down now, yeah.
But guess what? I know who did have a lot of snow. Atlanta. So guess what? I got in my car and I drove all the way to Atlanta, man. For y'all, man. I drove to Atlanta for y'all, man. I'm in Atlanta right now, and y'all know Atlanta got hit with a lot of snow. Y'all know some crazy ass shit? I have never, ever in my life built a snowman. Ever. You know,
that's a good
like
question.
if you get a snowball, you roll them on the ground, it get bigger. Let's see. Bro, it's got smaller, bro. What the fuck? Hold up.
I don't know who told you that.
Yeah, that's a myth. That's a myth. Look at that. Wait, bro, I thought that was I thought that was I thought that was water, bro. It's a ice. Nah. I'm like a
They treat off some gotcha bitch. That's exactly how the tree is right now.
ass. These are like sticky brows. Sticky brows. Imagine being homeless right now, bro, and you gotta find how to sleep in the cold. I couldn't even imagine, bro. Bro, there's somebody pee right there.
That's an animal.
There's somebody pee. I know piss when I see piss, bro. If y'all was like stranded and using a code like this, could you be able to start a fire? Like with wood and shit? I would. You know what I'm saying? I would. I feel like people in our age, in our time era, we should still know how to like do stuff like that. Like we should know how to hunt. We should know how to, you know what I'm saying, make fires with wood and stick, you know what I'm saying, and cook. And, you know, look at these big ass boats, big ass footprints. This is a size 13, chat. 13. You know what they say? Big feet, big meat. Nah. I want to jump this right here.
Kill that is the real one.
I don't want to jump
Yeah, size
and like
13 shoe
land
too.
in like a spot where it's going to sink. You know what I'm saying? This has to be a dry spot right here, right? Has to be. I just fell. But y'all didn't see it. I just fell though. Alright. I made it though. I made it. I made it.
That was funny. I almost busted.
Now currently, my camera is sitting on a twig. Like the smallest little blow, my camera gonna fall. But it doesn't matter, you know what I'm saying? Now that I'm not holding my camera, I can finally do this right here. As a former running back, watch this. I got stuck by all type of sticky brows and all type of shit. Hey man, like the video for your boy, man. Like the video, all right? Let's get to like 3,000 likes on this video right here. Goal 3,000, all right? We finna be not bad this year, all right? Hit the subscribe button, you know what I'm saying? Roll 300,000. I love y'all. Now let's attempt a real snowball.
Where your gloves at?
Hey, when I was younger, it was this game called South Park, and like it was like snowball fighting. If you old enough, you know what I'm talking about. It was on Nintendo 64, and
you literally can like throw snowballs at people, but like it's another like mode where you can get a snowball, you can like piss on a snowball and throw it at people, and like it like do like more damage.
Hey Mo, I ain't never do that. But the rocks and the snowballs, oh yeah. That's why I thought he was about to go, but South, that's vicious. That's vicious. That's vicious.
Look at you guys scared. Look at you guys scared. I ain't thought to hit you.
That'd be a perfect way to end the video.
4, 3, 2, 1.
I know his pants gotta be wet.
Davo Migo shot the game-winning 3 for the game, and he's the new world heavyweight. Wait, that's the wrong sport.
Ain't that the heavyweight though?
Finals MVP. He just knocked down the 2017 Warriors. KD's a bitch. And the world goes crazy. MVP, 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 MVP.
This man is sitting in the woods in the middle of nowhere, sitting down in the snow, shoot the daggone snowball and said, and nigga, 3 seconds. Well, you got to be bored, bro. You had to be bored.
Get my black ass up. I know damn well I ain't built for this. Let me get my black ass up, man. My hands so cold.
Yeah, people picking up snow.
I'm
I know
trying
your
to get
hands
up
freezing.
without using my hands. You know something I hated? Whenever it did snow, is as a kid. You know something I hated when it did snow as a kid? I used to hate whenever I did go outside and play, and then I went in the house and my hands is cold. I'm trying to like put my hands like in like the hot water and then make my hands like sting and hurt even more. I ain't gonna do it this time. Look at this. Look at the snow though. I ain't gonna lie. I don't know who backyard I'm in. I'm just.
What I tell you, in the middle of nowhere. That man just drove out there and just drove to the middle of nowhere.
I'm just here. You know what I'm saying? Hey, man. I know times get hard. You know what I'm saying? But guess what? Every day you wake up, it's a new day. All right, bro? So don't worry about what you've been doing and worry about what you finna do. All right? If you want to be the biggest YouTuber, biggest rapper, biggest like streamer, you want to be an NFL player, a doctor, nurse, hell, you want to be the next Gucci third leg. Don't stop going, bro. Keep on, keep on. All right? Keep on, keep on it. And guess what? Don't ever think you got to depend on anybody, all right? Because guess what? Nobody's going to give you no handout. Nobody's going to save you, bro. Nobody's going to save you, bro. You want to get something, bro, you want to get up, if you want to be, we want to be, nobody's going to just say, you're not going to wake up one day and just be like, oh, shit, I made it. Like, no, bro. You got to put the work in, bro. Get your lazy ass up, bro. And put the work in, bro.
I ain't even gonna lie to you. I feel like that was me just now. He was talking to me. Because I ain't even gonna lie, I've been lazy lately. Like it been laziness and between sick, spending time with my daughter, spending time with my daughter, and then going out. That's why I'm like, I can vlog this for y'all, put it on here for y'all, cause it's like, it ain't like it ain't. I've been doing a lot, and it would have been fun. Like y'all would have been, oh shoot, oh yeah, he lit right now. Like, you know.
Trying to put the work in. The people who gotta work in the snow, people who shoveling the snow off the roads, people can drive, bro. I appreciate y'all. Cause that's a very annoying job to do. I never met a Stone Angel before. Have you met a Stone Angel? Nah, that's too kitty. That's too kitty, right, chat?
Not the snowman.
From a big old kid, dawg. Bro, I've been panicking for like the last 30 minutes trying to find my keys, bro. Like, I've been backtracking every step I done went, you know what I'm saying, trying to find my keys. Look.
I've been heated.
Boy, I got scared, boy. Whew. So you got the pot right here. You know what I'm saying? You gotta pick the motherfucking, the Roman. You gotta pick the Roman right here. I think this right here. Ramen. Yeah, this right here is what, lamb? You got chicken, crab, broccoli, brisket.
Where is this at?
Now y'all comment in the comment section, how long do y'all put y'all noodles in the microwave? Me, put it in 6 minutes.
Yep. And then at 6, nasty.
And then at 6 it's soggy and it's goddamn, yeah. So.
About 3 or 4.
Motherfucking lamb.
Friday morning.
And no. With this right here, you go to Hot Pot one time, bro. I swear to God, you'll never eat oodles noodles ever again at home, nigga. That shit, it right here make you rethink everything. So I don't know how to cook and shit, and I cook goddamn Hot Pot.
I ain't even gonna lie to you, Slim. That jaw like look good. I think about cook some noodles. You hear me? Let me cook some noodles. You hear me? What is the name of this place? Let me look that up right quick while you hold on. That drink. Them drinks look good though. I ain't even gonna lie. I went to this joint out Silver Spring, little Japanese restaurant. That drink was like that. Owen Mills. Oh yeah, I'm in there. On my mother. They got one in Owen Mills. On my mother. Hey.
Cooking with Dave.
Go ahead, yo. Go ahead.
That shit right.
This right here is the finishing product. You know what it is? Gas.
Yeah.
2 order brisket, 2 order chicken, maybe 3 order pot meat, right?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. She shows love every time, and it'll be the same energy every single time. Like she, like it never changed. Like I fuck with her for that. Like she always showed us great energy all the time. One thing about this right here though, this right here, it tastes the same every single time. Like
So they just give you a pack?
Hey, the paper shit, the pouch. She was like, he didn't respond when I said he needed
gas.
He didn't respond.
Oh, y'all in there. So if y'all new to the channel, go ahead, like, subscribe, turn on notifications. I see y'all on the next